Hi guys, this is our NERF gun.
And look at this.
Can shoot so far.
Look. Okay, look.
Wow, that's super far.
Look
And
at
super
this.
fast. Okay,
This
now
is-
let's do the big one.
This is has a target, see?
Yeah.
There. Can shoot it. I'm going to shoot it there. Look at that.
Whoa! Faster than a speeding bullet.
This one.
Okay, now Renzo, let's see. So there's a big and a small one. Which one is faster?
This one is the fastest.
And which one is stronger?
Oh, this one.
Which one is your favorite? Smaller.
This one is stronger too.
Oh, that's stronger and faster. And which one is your favorite one?
This one.
The
This
big
one.
Okay. Why do you
This
like
one's
why
my
do you like the small one?
Oh, cool. Fast.
It's heavy, this one.
Yeah, and
This
that's
has a storage.
easy to carry. You can just put in your pocket.
Has a storage.
Oh, that's cool. How many can you put in there?
Maybe 10 or 5.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Even this.
Even this. There's two storage here.
Yeah.
See?
Nice.
Yeah. The chicken grind.
Nice. So do you recommend this for kids to buy?
Huh?
Do you recommend that kids buy this one?
Yeah.
Why? Why should they buy it?
So they have Nerf gun and play it and
Can I see? Okay, so this is a Nerf gun. So if you want the mini one, it looks like this. As you can see here, it's nice and compact. And then there's storage for 2 extra ones here. There's 1, 2.
and then this one, that bullet is real cool. Look.
Yeah.
Wait.
So easy to load.
You put inside it like this, where the hole is. Then you do like that, and then shoot it with here.
Yeah.
That even you cannot, right? You can't do it in the beach.
Yeah.
It will get lost if
But
you
this-
do it in the
You can
beach.
target it. Target it in that. Huh?
In there,
See?
even here, you can target it like this. Like this.
Yeah.
By
Okay.
cement, look at or by cement, it will fall out.
Okay. See that. Wow! You shot the target.
Thank you.
Mhm. Wow! It
Now.
knocked over. See? There you go. That's the stronger one.
Yeah.
Okay.
Stronger.
What should we say to end the video?
Subscribe and share and comment. Thank you for watching.